In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Google Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right frame for both images and videos so your visuals look perfect on any platform. Start by opening your browser and heading to labs.google.fx. This is Google's landing page for creative tools. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the interface may take a few seconds to initialize the first time you visit. On the landing page, click Launch Flow. That opens the Flow workspace where you'll make your changes. If you're prompted with any introductory screens, just continue until the main canvas and side panels appear. You should see a clean layout with options to manage projects and add media. From here, either create a new project or open an existing project. If you already have assets you want to reframe, opening your existing project keeps your media and settings together. If you're starting fresh, creating a new project gives you a blank canvas. Pick whichever fits your workflow. It's a good idea to keep project names clear and consistent so you can find them later without searching. Once your project is open, click on Image to work with still photos. This brings up resize and framing controls, including aspect ratio choices. You can choose from 16.9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, and 9:16. Here's how to think about them. 16.9 is the modern widescreen standard, great for YouTube thumbnails or slides. 4:3 is a more classic frame that can feel natural for documents or presentations. 1:1 is square, perfect for many feed posts. 3:4 is a portrait-friendly option that balances height and width, while 9:16 is a full vertical format ideal for stories and shorts. When you switch ratios, Flow will adapt the canvas. Check the edges to make sure nothing important gets cropped. If your subject is tight, consider leaving a bit of headroom before changing the frame so the composition stays centered. Next, click on Video to adjust moving content. Here, your choices focus on the two most common standards, 16.9 for horizontal playback and 9:16 for vertical viewing. Pick 16.9 if your video is meant for widescreen platforms, or 9:16 if it's headed to mobile-first destinations like shorts or stories. After switching, scan through a few key moments on the timeline to confirm faces, titles, and graphics remain safely inside the frame. If Flow adds padding or crops, adjusting your subject's position within the canvas can keep the action where viewers expect it. That's it. You've navigated to Flow, launched the tool, opened your project, and selected the right aspect ratio for images and videos with confidence.